Greetings and salutations. Today we're going to go try the Copperhead Mountain Coaster, voted #1 in America. Let's go check it out. Bye. Here we go, guys. This is the first time I've ever been on anything like this. This is crazy, guys. This is fun. I love this. Woo! This is amazing. Woo! I'm flying around these corners. This is so fun. Track.
Go ahead and proceed through.
All right. This is cool, guys. Click, 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 all the way up to the top, I guess. That was fun. That was so awesome. Man, it was faster going down the hill. drop? Oh no, it's gonna click back up higher. I think that was it, guys. That was pretty amazing though. I highly suggest you come out here to Missouri and try this. This is definitely something we don't have in Florida, that's for sure. Yep, that's the end of it. That was pretty amazing, guys. I highly suggest it. And that big giant tower there is a zip line all the way down. Awesome.
You recorded all?
Yes, I did. That's gonna do it for our ride on the roller coaster. That thing was awesome. So cool. We don't have anything like that in Florida for sure. So make sure you come check this place out in Missouri. It's so awesome. And if you liked what you've seen, remember to hit the bell notification and the like and subscribe so you can follow me on more adventures. And until then, later days.